Yeah, my name is Giovanni Lopez. I've been member of the Neighborhood Association of Hollygrove for the last 7 years. And I've been going to different programs they have. The last one was about the solar panel generator. So I took the class in December. I learned how to use it, and I really learned it's very important. I mean, the reason I like to learn how to use it is because the hurricane season in Louisiana, like I've been living 40 years in Louisiana, and I've seen it every time we get a hurricane, we lose power for like 5 days, 6 days, 7 days.
As an electrician now for 27 years, City of New Orleans, I have actively engaged in the electrical industry for the last 26 years. And I'm not gonna sit here and tell you it's so cheap to get solar so that you can run your air conditioner 24/7. No, what I'm gonna tell you is that we can reduce your out-of-pocket expense a little bit more so that maybe sometimes you'll be comfortable using the air conditioning.
Es muy importante porque estoy aprendiendo de que los paneles solares, lo que estoy recibiendo hoy de los paneles solares es mucha importancia porque es bueno. Tratamos de ahorrar energía y nos da bastante comodidad porque los biles ahora están saliendo demasiado caros, demasiado altos. Y entonces estoy aprendiendo esto de que yo no sabía hasta hoy. Hasta hoy estoy aprendiendo esto. Los he visto instalados, pero no a trasfondo lo que estoy viendo.
You looked at your appliances at your house, looked at the nameplates.
Always good to have a backup, which you never know. Living in the city, lights goes off and stuff like that. Our last experience we had with the different hurricanes and stuff, you know, to have a backup system because you never know how long your electric will be off.
Everybody has everything? Awesome. What you're going to be doing with these is you're going to attach the red cable to your inverter under the red cap.
This particular setup we're using now is they have an area to actually store the energy to a battery, which in turn goes to an inverter that powers a particular appliance in your house, which will cut your energy costs down.
With the experience, it wasn't hard at all. I was more concerned about, I done did a lot of things, I was more concerned about whether I was gonna be able to do it, but it's so easy.